Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'll be showing you BA's first class offering from London Heathrow to Dubai. I'm showing you the travel from the Concorde room to the gate, as I think it's a little disappointing that BA doesn't have a more first class experience to get you to the plane. Now, I'm not expecting a chauffeur-driven limousine as other airlines provide, but at least a separate gate. Considering that Terminal 5 is a BA-only terminal, this should be more than possible. And here is a view of the outside of the Concorde room, a review of which is available on my channel. So tonight I'll be travelling on BA 105 to Dubai. So as we turn left on the entrance to the plane, you are greeted by one of the excellent and friendly staff who show me through the business class club suites to my seat 1A in first class. Welcomed with a glass of LPGS at the seats, so let's hope this is a sign of things to come. Let's start the tour of this first class suite with the screen. Great size and very responsive, although I didn't get much use of it as I had it on the flight view for most of the way. Good quality pyjamas and a blanket made from recycled bottles are provided. You may also notice that there isn't a door in this suite, which is strange considering that the club suite does have one. Here we have a nice little cubby hole for shoes or any other larger items. This footrest also doubles as a seat if you're flying with a companion and want to dine together, although it is a little cramped. To the left are the controls for the seat and the lighting, pretty logical and well laid out. This convenient storage area has the USB and plug sockets, as well as enough area to keep all your bits. Again, another storage area, which was a little more accessible when you're in your seat. Storage in this suite is pretty good and better than a lot of other first class suites. Here's a better view of the entire suite. I know this suite is larger than the BA Club Suite, but I personally don't think it's a massive upgrade. main table pops out from the side, a very large surface, finished in a shiny piano black. I like the flexibility of this table, as it can be easily moved out of the way if you want to get out while dining. Next up are the amenity kits and headphones. I'm pretty sure these are non-branded Meridian noise cancelling headphones, which are of pretty good quality. Although in this day and age I bring my own ones as well as my own entertainment. The amenity kit is from Elemis, which has a pretty decent selection of lotions and potions. Really not sure if there's a massive difference between this one and the business class offering. Next, on to the dining. Please pause the video if you need a better look at the menu, as it is quite extensive. So a trio of canapes to start, a trout riletti, a brissola with truffle cream and asparagus, and a feta stuffed courgette with pine nuts. My starter was lock fine smoked salmon with crab salad and apple. For my main, I had the duo of Welsh lamb with rice and Dacou's sauce, which was really, really nice. Time for some rest now, so once the bed's made up, it's quite large and relatively soft once the topper is installed. It's quite a good bed and I got a few hours sleep, but I do tend to sleep quite well on most planes. So that's the end of the flight as we make our final approach into the early morning Dubai airport. So what did I think of the BA first class experience? Again, I had the same impression as the Concorde room. It's very good, but not the world-class experience I was expecting. Maybe I'm getting too picky in my old age, but the whole experience was only marginally better than the club suite. So, would I travel BA first class again? Well, probably not. Unless I got a really good deal on points, I think I'd prefer to travel business class with BA from now on. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you again soon.